Meaning of graph paper.
Graph paper.
Graph paper.
Graph paper.
Graph paper. Graph paper is a type of writing paper that has a grid printed on it. The grid consists of small squares, which are usually arranged in a pattern of horizontal and vertical lines. Graph paper is commonly used in mathematics and engineering for plotting graphs, creating diagrams, and drawing geometric shapes. The squares on the paper allow for precise measurements and accurate representation of mathematical concepts. Graph paper can also be helpful for artists and designers when sketching out ideas or planning projects. Overall, graph paper is a useful tool for anyone who needs to create visual representations of mathematical or technical information.